Welcome to my channel. How to reset a ZyXEL modem. In case you forget your password, you may use the reset button found on all ZyXEL modem models to recover the original setting of your modem. To reset a ZyXEL modem, you may select another password and set up your setting using your computer's browser interface. Step 1. Find the reset button on the back or side panel of your modem. It shows as a small piece of metal under the small hole in the panel. Step 2. Twist and open the end of the paper clip away from the paper clip, therefore, the end sticks out from the clips. Step 3. Enter the open end of the paper clip into the hole in the back or side panel, and press it down opposing the reset button for 10 seconds or unless the sys light starts to blink. In case the light doesn't blink, then follow the next step. Step 4. Switch off the modem from the main power switch, if it has a main power or sys light and the light does not blink 10 seconds. Switch on back at the time using the reset button depressed through an open paper clip. Step 5. Proceed to hold the reset button depressed unless the power or sys lights blink very speedily, which takes around 20 seconds. Take off the paperclip from the reset button to free it. Step 6. Access the default address given through your modem into your internet browser's address block on your main network computer to carry up the interface, therefore, you can schedule your modem with new settings.